come.
Okay, put.
Okay, we put carton so weeds won't grow through. Now you make sure the soil goes in there, okay? You need to feel the under part. Another one. Okay, make sure this goes in here. We'll use another bucket. Yeah. We'll need another bucket. Okay. This is a good mycelium. It's white. It's a good fungi. Okay, so just put half of it. Make sure this is full down there. Don't compress, okay? Just make sure there's some soil there. Don't press.
Can we change this one also?
No, you can still transplant it, but you don't have to. For onions, it's okay. Onions have small roots. But what are you going to plant here? You have to break those clumps because they are not. That will turn anaerobic. You know, you want to keep them aerobic. Okay, as you watch, you always watch it first.
Make a pot of water.
We watch it before we plant. Okay, always. You put a lot of water. You let it sink in slowly. Then we plant and then we add mulch. Rice house.
Add more soil there.
It's okay, it's enough. Then it's not, we cannot add mulch. It will sink in a little bit. Hello everyone. This is a very old system to plant, especially those young onions or herbs. You know, all your herbs, your thyme, your parsley, basil, all your herbs around the house, using recycling ties, of course. People throw away, pollute everything. And so we fill it with a good soil compost. On the bottom we put a carton so the weeds underneath will not come through, because they would if you don't do that. There are some very strong weeds around here. Okay, so you can plant a garden this way anywhere. Even if you don't have a big land, you know, you can bring soil. That's a good thing, a good soil, compost. Make your compost, of course. Recycle all your trashes and yes, all your compostable material. We will show you in the video how to make that, how to make the best compost in the world. Alright, so here we go, we plant. Only a few for today. When we have more, we plant more. This is recycling onions. Actually, we eat the onions from the market, and the bottom, the root part, we just transplant. And in a couple of months, we will have a nice bunch of onions growing. And you can do parsley, even baby lettuce, oregano, all your herbs, basil. Basil do very well. Of course, you need to water, okay? And then what we will do, we will use a little mulch, rice house mulch, to put on top to keep the soil cool and in the shade. It's very important. Microorganisms, they don't survive light. Okay? Light kills bacteria and fungi, okay? You know, mushroom grow in a forest in the shade of the trees and on much carbon, much leaves, wood. Okay, so we try to reproduce a little bit the forest in our garden and grow very healthy, very dynamically grown plants. Okay.